she's waiting to get some nuts. Okay. She can't find. Oh, now she's happy. You see, she's hungry. If they are not hungry, they are trying to hide somewhere under snow or underground. So big gray squirrel. She doesn't feel she's in danger. So close from me, one step. Maybe I have to give her more nuts. She's so hungry. It was last. Birds came. Bird took one nut and fly away. So she's done. I gave her more nuts in case if she's still hungry. So smart squirrel. I would like to find some deer today too. They should be in another part of park. So I'm going to go there. I had video with that loud squirrel, and she still lives in that tree where I found her. So every time when I come here, sometimes I can see her. She's so loud. She's always make some sounds. You can hear her. You see, they are so big size. She is not the biggest what I saw. We have airport in Winnipeg, so sometimes, often, you can hear planes in my videos. You see, she's close to me. Now you can say she's not hungry. She is trying to hide her food. I don't know if you see her. See? She got nut and she's hiding this nut. Next time when she will be hungry, she can find her nuts and eat them. Okay, bye squirrel. She is far away now. It was a gray squirrel, and now I'm not sure if you see. This is red squirrel, and I put some nut on this tree. Maybe you can see it or not. See, this is red squirrel. They are smaller than gray. Appa, she found and ran away. So cute. And she's not hungry though, because she's hiding her nut. Okay, I lost her.